Hi, Bill Black here. Hey, welcome back to my blog. I want to talk to you today about open houses. Do you have an open house or don't you? We've got a marketing plan, and after almost 4 decades of listing houses for sale and getting them sold at a very high rate, we know what to do to expose your house to the market. Less than 2% of buyers comes through open houses. It's got to be entirely up to you whether or not we do an open house, but here's my concern. One is when those buyers walk through that front door, I don't know who they are. I don't know whether or not they can afford this house. I have no idea what their intent is in buying or coming through the open house. We're seeing an increase in nefarious activities such as things being stolen, prescription drugs, anything with identity theft, jewelry, firearms, collectible items. We saw a while back that there was another company, another agent, where the garage door opener was stolen. They watched the schedule of the buyers, or of the sellers that were selling the house, came back in and ended up stealing a whole bunch of stuff out of the house. So open houses to me are not that favorable of a situation. I'm at an open house right now, but this house is vacant. And so the big thing that I worry about there is individual safety. But I have been doing this long enough that I feel that I've got that aspect of it taken care of. So if you want to talk about marketing plans, how to effectively get your home exposed to the buying market, and how to sell your home at a successful ratio of list to sale price, let me know. I looked ours up for the last year. We listed and sold between 99 and 101% of the sale price. So those are pretty good odds. So give us a call, 402-680-2500, and let's talk about marketing your home and getting your home sold, okay? Talk to you later.